What's goody, my gang? Today we're playing Dead Rails. Oh, there's a lot. Wait, is that a unicorn?
Bro,
Oh,
there's
wait.
a house, bro.
Oh, wait, there. there's unicorns. I want unicorns. Ow! Pew. What are you doing? Let me. Why is your? Ow! What the? It does no damage. This stupid robot sucks.
Bro,
Oh my
what
god,
are
you
you
already
doing?
died! We're dead! Yeah! Take all of this, take all of this! You, at this point, stop for real, stop! Where's the zombie going? Inventory, I'm gonna take it. Open a stupid shovel! We're gonna store that. Okay, I can't store you, Ashley. Stupid game. Woohoo! okay, my bad. Turn it night time! I'm just gonna weld you right there. You're gonna be welded right there. Are we? Wait, can you actually not move when I weld you? Ashley. The form.
Hey, bro.
We're out of fuel.
What?
And we're stopping by a city.
Your fault, not mine.
It's okay, there's a sheriff. They probably have something that we don't. Oh my god! Die! Bro, I hate you. I hate you so much. I genuinely hate you. I genuinely hate this game. You know what? Let's... yeah, I'm back. He's not back. What's happening? Why is it like this? Why is it so scary? Why did I got a care package? What the hell? I didn't buy anything. Oh my god, why is the ping like that? Finally, I got a good ping. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so I'm back. He's not back. Yeah, I just said that like a million times already, but it's okay. It's okay. Finally, it's not lagging. It's not delaying. It's not doing anything that I hate. So yeah, it's okay. Let's go. So yeah, I'm not gonna buy any guns this time. I'm just gonna. If I die one more time, I'm gonna leave this game immediately. Just saying. Oh. Oh wait. Oh, what is this? Oh, what's that? This is a house. I see a house. I see another house. I see this thing. I can't go through it for some reason. So, I don't know what's happening. Oh, whoa, relax. Ow. Ow. I love hitting defenseless people. That's what they said, actually. That's what these zombies said. Like, I gotta kill them now. Who the hell are you? Bro! I hate you so much. I hate Jandel. I hate everybody. I hate everybody in this world. I hate everyone. Please don't delay. Please don't delay. What the hell? Let's check it. Oh my god, you know what? At this point, let's just play, man. We're giving this one single try. If you didn't know, I just rejoined this game like a million times just because I didn't join. I joined the wrong server. I joined Edison's Revenge even though I want to do normal. Oh yeah, like and subscribe if you want me to do Edison's Revenge. Heard that thing was pretty cool. Everything's been going so wrong today, and like I wanted to make a video for all of you guys, but I can't. Like I want to save. I don't know who I want to save, but I want to save someone. But Jandel doesn't want me. Like I want to save children. I want to save all the kids, but Jandel doesn't let me. Like Jandel's zombie doesn't let me. Like He said, "Oh, don't save them. They don't deserve it." Like, see, that's what they said. That's what they. Oh my God, see, that's what they said. Oh, horse. Yeah, I want to tame you. I want to tame you. Wait. I should tame you. Let's go, horse. Hi. See, they're running away because they're running away because I want to save children. I want to save children, but they don't let me. What am I doing? I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna. In game, I meant in game. What's that? Like, if I die, I genuinely might do something to myself. Oh, yes! Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. No, wait. Let me use that, let me use that. What is that? It's night time. Oh my God. Okay, you know what? Just collect all of this. Collect all of this. Collect all of this. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna tame you. Saddles alright. I got what the? You can just do that. Okay, I guess. Oh, it's night time. Okay. Yes, finally. What does? Wait, I didn't even read what the sign says. I don't even know what it says. That's why I'm just gonna sprint. I don't care. There's no one even here. Whoa! What the hell? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I guess. Oh great! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, and I have nothing in my life. Truly nothing. Truly, absolutely nothing in my life. You are covered in acid 88%. Like, what do I do? Like, it's like, when did they, like, when this, at least I have you, buddy. Whoa, I didn't like that. I'm just gonna put you, you're gonna be like a dog. I'm just gonna be like, yeah, right there. What even is this? You know, where's it gonna go on? Where's it gonna go until we die? I guess. What is this? Tell me. Is this like? How do we make it stop acid raining? Huh? How about that? Huh? What the? There's a. You know, you're slow actually. I was about to scream for my life and panic. But never mind. Yeah, but this game is chill until you run out of fuel and you just give up all your hope and you just surrender yourself and just die in game. Yeah, great. Yeah, great. Yeah, great. Yeah, great. I love you, Jandel. Yeah, Jandel, I love you. I love you so much. I love this game. I love everybody. I love every. Like, bomb this place up. I'm gonna kill. What do I do? You know what? I'm done, man. You know, I'm done. Yeah, you see this guy? This guy's gonna come at you at night if you don't subscribe. Like and subscribe. Well, that's it. See you on the next video.